Hello and welcome to Technofied. In this video, I'm going to be talking all about Amazon Photos and how you can use it on Android. So let's go ahead and start the video. Go to the Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Amazon Photos. Go ahead and tap on it and click install. Amazon Photos is a cloud storage service provided by Amazon primarily for storing and organizing photos and videos. It offers a secure way to back up your media files, making them accessible from any device with an internet connection. Amazon Photos is available as a web service and also has apps for various platforms including Android. Talking about the features of Amazon Photos: unlimited photo storage for Prime members. Amazon Prime members get unlimited photo storage at full resolution and 5 GB of video storage without any additional cost. Non-Prime members have a limited amount of storage but can purchase additional storage if needed. 5 GB of video storage. Both Prime and non-Prime members get 5 GB of storage for videos and other files for free, with the option to purchase more if required. Automatic backup. The app can automatically back up photos and videos from your Android device, ensuring that you never lose your precious memories. Family Vault. You can share your unlimited photo storage with up to 5 family members or friends. Each person gets their own private account and contribute to a shared family vault. High quality storage. Photos are stored in their original resolution, ensuring that there is no loss of quality when you view or download them later. Organizing and searching. Amazon Photos uses machine learning to automatically organize your photos by people, places, and things. The search function lets you find specific images based on keywords, dates, or objects in the photos. Sharing and collaborations and editing tools are also there. You can easily share photos and albums with others via email, social media, or a shared link. This app contains basic editing tools for cropping, rotating, and adjusting brightness and contrast, along with filters and enhance your photos. And the secure storage option, which offers secure encrypted storage, and your files are even safe if you lose your device. So let's go ahead and click on open after we install the Amazon Photos from the Play Store. What you need to do is open the Amazon Photos app and sign in using your Amazon credentials. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create one during the setup process. Go ahead and click on allow notifications if you want. Click on allow access because the Amazon Photos needs the access for your photos from your gallery. Go ahead and tap on allow all and give all the access. Go ahead and click on auto save, and you can disable the mobile data for now because it will use the mobile data to back up when Wi-Fi is not available and it will cost you some money. So you can just go ahead and disable it and click next. Then you can see the save all device folders option over here. You can disable it and you can individually select the folder which you want to back up. So let's suppose you don't want to back up any of these folders over here, but you want to back up your Pinterest folders or photos. You can just go ahead and disable all of these photos over here. Once you do that, you can only back up the photos from your pins. So let's go ahead and disable it individually. So you can see that this is quite a process. You can do this individually by scrolling down and you can find it over here. After you do so, you can just go ahead and click on next, and you can see the change permission. To keep your photos safely uploaded in the background, a permission is needed. So go ahead and tap on change permissions. Now you need to go to permissions and you can see the contacts over here. Go ahead and click on allow and the contacts will be allowed on your Amazon Photos. Now you can go ahead and go back and click on change permissions and see the permissions which is not allowed, and you can give the permissions again. So you can now start doing this and you can now see that the photos will slowly load. You can see some of the memories over here as well. If you just scroll a bit down, you will see some memories and you can explore days and you can see the items are being uploaded. If you go to your sharing option, you can do that as well. This person icon on the top right hand side. You can click on it and click on start sharing, and you can start adding the Amazon photos over here like this, and click on add, and you can add a name, phone number or email from your contacts which you give the permissions to Amazon Photos already, and you can start sharing the photos with them as well. So talking about your device info, you can see that you currently have 5 GB of storage, and you can buy this later as well. You should just go ahead and click on view, which is over here, and you can buy this easily. So this is how you can use the Amazon Prime. If you go over here, you can see you can print your photos as well, and you can see the personalize over here. Just go ahead and tap on the settings option, and you can see right now you are already signed in. You can see the upload photos manually option. You can individually choose the photos which you want to upload from here, and you can see under the account settings there is upload settings. There are settings like save videos, save using only when charging, save using mobile data, so you better disable it if you want, because this will take a lot of space and it will use your money as well. So if you scroll down, you can see the notification settings. You can individually turn on or off the settings which you will get from Amazon Photos. If you scroll a bit down, you can find the legal and privacy options like privacy policy, terms of use, third-party license, and close your Amazon account if you want. So this is it, guys. This is all about how you can use the Amazon Prime Photos. So if you want to add more, you can see the view option. You can go around here and you can individually add the photos as well. So I hope this video about how you can use the Amazon Photos on your Android device was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.